Prepare the Comma4 and the cross-glide magnetic mount. Take out the installation screws and tools. Attach the mount to the Comma4. Slide it in until the latch fully clicks into place. Install the 4 screws. Do not over-tighten them. Make sure the mount is securely installed. Next, install the short USB cable. Carefully separate the mount. Be sure not to pinch your fingers. Remove the 3mm VHB tape. Apply it to the mount. Press firmly to ensure strong adhesion. Move into the vehicle for the next step. First, check how the lane-keeping camera cover is removed. This example uses a 2024 Toyota RAV4. Removal methods may vary by vehicle. The mount should not sit flush against the camera cover. Please adjust the installation based on your vehicle. Confirm the horizontal and vertical center position. You may use electrical tape as a guide. Peel off the backing from the 3mm VHB tape on the windshield side mount. Align the mount with the guide marks. Press firmly to secure it in place. After installation, confirm that the camera cover can still be removed. Supports the official Comma OBDC cable, or the included USB 3.1 cable from the kit. Installation is now complete. Thank you for watching.